Libra, hello and welcome to Gina Moon. This is your weekly tarot reading starting this new week of January the 9th up until January the 16th. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into your reading. Remember that this is a general reading, so take it as it resonates. It could be you towards somebody or somebody here towards you. So if you feel the need to reverse the roles, then go ahead and do so, okay? And you are starting with the dominant energy of the drum roll. And let's see what you have here. It comes with a little message. So it says, new journey, and this is the element of fire, and the person in this image is Mulan. Okay, so it says here, new journey. You have known of this new venture for some time, and you have prepared very well for it. Resonate with your calling and move forward without looking back. Your courage and determination will be celebrated. So this is something here telling you that there's a new door that's about to open. Head into that new journey, that new door, open, that kind of energy of changes, right? Okay. And I do sense that, this is kind of telling you that you have already prepared for this, meaning you're ready. There's no fear, right? You shouldn't be afraid of, venturing onto something new, somebody new, a new opportunity, because even if you don't yet know it, this is telling you, you are actually prepared for this new version of you, or this new version of whatever the situation is calling, okay? And this is telling you to listen to your intuition, okay, in order for you to move forward in the right direction without looking back. So again, there's nothing for you in the past that can benefit your current situation and your future. So don't look back anymore. Your courage and your determination will be celebrated. So if you have the courage and you will have the determination to move forward into this new journey, this new venture, then you will be able to celebrate in the end. Okay, so as you can see here, this is Mulan, and she's, on that horse, and she's headed in a new direction. As you can see, the horse looks very happy, and she's looking up, meaning that she's feeling very confident about this. She's not looking down. So again, be confident about kind of like this new doorway, this new opportunity, and heading onto a new direction, new journey. Beautiful. Let's put this one on the side to see what this energy is all about here for you. So what is this all about here for you? What is this all about for you? Okay, so let's spread out all of these energies first. And I'm going to go ahead and clarify for you each and every position. Right off the bat, I do see that some of you guys may be dealing with the sign of Taurus. Okay, could be Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. What else? At the bottom of the deck, you have here the Temperance. So could be a Sagittarius for some, doesn't have to be, but patience. Okay, be patient with yourself, be patient with the process. Make sure that everything is in balance. If right now you feel like different areas of your life are making you go crazy or you feel confused, it's because you need to create more balance in your life, right? Go to bed early, set up a routine, set up a schedule, that kind of thing, in order to really balance out your energies. And overall, what this is saying is be patient with yourself, be patient with the process, okay? Don't rush into anything. Here with the Empress, yeah, so this has to do with the situation. The Empress is something that has the potential to grow, bloom, and blossom into something beautiful, into something more creative, more stable. It's that feminine energy, right? So this is all telling you to embrace your feminine energy of becoming more in tune, in touch with who you are, your emotions, your sensations, right? And also this is, for some of you guys who are males, it doesn't matter. Feminine energy has to do with that energy of being more understanding, being more caring, right? Being more thoughtful, not only with other people, but with yourself, right? So this situation has the potential for it to grow, for it to blossom. Others of you guys, perhaps this has to do with a pregnancy. Maybe you are seeking some kind of a pregnancy, okay? And so this has to do also with perhaps birthing a child, birthing an idea into, perhaps a business, birthing a process that has perhaps stalled until now, until something brand new, right? So something beautiful about to grow, bloom, and blossom. In your challenge position, you have the world reversed. So what this means for you is that it might be a little bit difficult for you to close out a chapter in your life that you kind of know intuitively that it already has to kind of end, right? Again, this is telling you head on to this new journey without looking back. But I feel like there might be a part of you that is still kind of not sure, right? How to close out that chapter. Have you learned enough about that situation? Have you given enough to that situation, to that person? So it might be a little bit challenging for you to see this as an ending, but this is telling you don't go back into the same old toxic cycle and repeat it. Go into a new journey, okay? Here with the Knight of Cups, you do desire love. You do desire perhaps to date somebody or to start dating or maybe to be loved, to show that you care. For others of you guys, you do desire to express yourself in an emotional way. Perhaps you desire to tell somebody how you feel, or vice versa. It could just be the fact that you want the situation to kind of, produce some kind of firm foundation, okay? Now, this could be job-related, career-related, an idea, family-related, love-related, whatever this is. But the root of the issue is the fact that somebody's heart is blocked off right now. Somebody here is not ready for something new when it comes to love. Perhaps you still need to tie up some loose ends that, haven't really been resolved. So if right now you are dealing with a kind of, perhaps confusing situation or difficult situation, okay, it could possibly be because you need to tune into your intuition, okay? Listen and follow your intuition, your intuitive guidance, and that will require of you to open up your heart, okay? Because otherwise you're blocking off those intuitive messages. Now, in the recent past, you have here the Five of Wands. So yeah, in the recent past, there was a lot of conflict. There could have been some kind of an argument, some kind of, perhaps competition, that energy of competitive energy, and or gossip. It could just be as simple as people gossiping. But I do see a lot of conflicting energy. It could have been just internal conflict, okay, that perhaps you or somebody here was experiencing. Now, in the near future, coming towards you in your opportunity, you have here the Ace of Wands. Look at that. So in your opportunity coming to you in the near future, you have a brand new beginning. Not just any brand new beginning, but a passionate brand new beginning. Remember, if you have the courage to step into this new journey, you're going to end up celebrating. There's going to be a lot of passion, right? There's going to be sparks that are going to fly, whether it's regarding a job, a relationship, a family member, whatever this is, but it's a passionate brand new beginning headed towards you. You also have here the Page of Cups in your subconscious thoughts, which basically for you means that, yeah, there's that energy where you could possibly be feeling that energy of romanticism. Perhaps you have romantic feelings for somebody, you're developing those feelings for somebody. You either want to communicate with this person or you want to start dating, right? It could also be the fact that you just are feeling kind of like the energy of love, of wanting to kind of speak to somebody or somebody here wanting to speak to you. But I do sense that there's that energy of perhaps you thinking about, should I approach that person? Should I approach that situation? Should I look into that idea and expand it into a business? Something here that makes you feel alive, okay? And it's the beginning stages of something, whether it's the beginning stages of a relationship, of a friendship, of a career, of an idea, of a business, whatever this is, okay? But it's making you feel alive. It's making you feel really good about it, okay? Now, I'm also seeing here the Seven of Swords. This is how one person sees the other, whether they see you this way or you see them this way. Somebody here might have trust issues, whether you're not trusting them, they're not trusting you, because somebody might be acting in a little bit of a sneaky kind of way. Somebody here may be lying. They may not be fully, kind of honest with you or you with them, but there's some kind of sneaky behavior here, and that is kind of producing some kind of trust issues within the situation, okay? Now, here with the Chariot, yeah, so because these trust issues are being called upon, okay, and they're here, your next action advice, okay, during this time is to confront the situation, okay? Confront the situation, confront it, for what it is, be courageous, okay? And if you need to choose to walk away or to choose a new direction, then so be it. But have the courage to confront the situation, okay? Because remember, the Chariot goes into war, right? He's prepared to just go into war to win it, not to lose it. He's so confident, he's so prepared, right? That he goes into it saying, okay, you know what? I'm going to confront the situation. I'm going to go and head into battle because I'm going to win it, right? So that's the energy of confrontation, okay? Now here with the Ace of Pentacles, if you do that, look at that. The result, the final outcome is the Ace of Pentacles. You're either going to get a lot of money, you're going to get, an offer, a bigger offer than what you actually were getting before. Maybe before you were getting only scraps, from a job, from a person, from a situation. But this is going to, I feel like it's kind of like a blessing in disguise, okay? For others of you guys, you could be making a lot of money, okay? By confronting the situation, you could possibly head into more money, more abundance than you may have had in mind, okay? And for others of you guys, it could be a relationship. Somebody here getting ready to offer you a full-blown, long-term relationship and or a commitment. But let's go ahead and clarify why you have New Journey here as your dominant energy. So why is New Journey here as your dominant energy? Something is nudging you to confront a situation, okay? Because it's kind of like you're headed into something new, a passionate brand new beginning and a passionate brand new start. So let's see, New Journey. Wow, the Nine of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Four of Wands. Yes, indeed. You're headed towards victory. Look at that. If you want to get married, it's going to be on the table, okay? You're headed towards marriage. You're headed towards a commitment. For others of you guys, you're headed towards a celebration. This is going to be a success. You're headed towards something here, an achievement, whether this is career related, love related, family related, whatever area of your life this is concerning, okay? You're going to end up celebrating something big. You're going to be able to complete the process, okay? Instead of leaving it, open-ended. Now, I also see that, yeah, if you head into that new journey, if you have the courage to leave the past behind, head into that new opportunity, you're going to get all of your wishes granted and fulfilled. This is wish fulfillment. This is wishes granted, fulfilled, okay? You may not know that where you are right now, okay, is perhaps not enough, okay? There's something better for you on the other side of that journey. So here you have wish fulfillment. So open up. This is telling you be more open to new things, new people, new situations, because you've already invested in something here that is not really giving back to you. I feel like somebody here is very closed off, okay? And so they need to open up a little bit more. Again, you've already put in the work and the effort, and the results are about to come in, but you do have to have the courage to head into that new direction. We're going to be going into the extended reading to see who this other person is that you are dealing with, this other situation, because I do see that there's some kind of energy here of commitment. Could also be a celebration in love, okay? It could be just, some kind of celebration with regards to an achievement. But again, we're going to be going into the extended reading to see who this person is, more so about their subconscious thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, and also their next moves and actions towards you. And we will end the reading with any messages from spirits. If you want to check that out, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you would like a psychic reading, you can check out the link to Psychic Source that is down in the description box below. I have partnered with Psychic Source so that you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes for free. Choose any psychic of your choice, chat with them online via my direct link that is down in the description box below, or you can also call them. The number will be shown when you click on the description link that is down below. And use my special code 26489 when you call them or when you chat with them. Again, the direct link to Psychic Source is down in the description box below.